Good morning, all. Happy Monday. I hope you guys had a wonderful week and are ready to embark on a new week on virtual learning. Before we get into the agenda and a little overview, I just wanted to say I love you. I miss you. I hope you and your family are safe, happy, and healthy at home. My family is doing great. I'm enjoying this extra time being spent together. So I hope you guys are the same. If you need anything, I'm here for you. Let me know. This week in science is going to kind of be smooth sailing. You guys did a great job last week, so this week I just kind of modeled off last week. I didn't want to change it up a whole lot because you guys did a really good job. Next week we'll switch it up a little bit. But this is just the outer planet part. Last week we did inner planets. This week is the outer planets. So we're going to go through this. I just want to highlight a couple things on this agenda. My phone number is up here. Guys, if you need an immediate, you have a question, you're stuck on a problem and you need it before you can move on, call me. Okay, it's super easy to call me. I can answer your question right on the phone. Email, I'm on my computer, but sometimes I have quite a few emails that I'm responding to, so I may not get to you right away. So you can give me a call, and that's immediate feedback. If I don't answer, I will call you back as soon as possible. So this week, Monday, is watching this video, completing the check-in, watching just a short little 4-minute video on outer planets, give you an overview of what outer planets are, and then the Google form video checkpoint questions for you to fill out. Tuesday and Wednesday looks very similar to last week. You're reading the article. The articles are straight from MobyMax, so once you get to your MobyMax lesson, you will already have read those articles. Tuesday, you're focusing on Jupiter and Saturn and completing the graphic organizer. Wednesday, Uranus and Neptune. Thursday is your MobyMax day. I want to point out a couple things. I have added a video, MobyMax helpful hints video. A lot of you are rushing through MobyMax and just trying to answer all the questions. Guys, I do the MobyMax just like you. Every single question that is on the MobyMax can be answered in one of the articles or graphs or diagrams from MobyMax. So that link kind of shows you some tips and tricks on how to go to the table of contents, how to find the article again, look for the question or look for the answer, and then go back to the question and get it correct. So please watch that little helpful hint. It's like a 5-minute video. So I did not assign the lesson test this week for outer planets. Usually you have the lesson and the lesson test. This one is just the outer planets. If you log on, you should see outer planets on science. Complete it or keep going until it says this teacher has no assigned lessons for you. Once you complete outer planets and you get that the teacher has no assigned lessons for you, you're done for the day. Okay. Another thing, again, you've already read the passages. So you can either skip through them and go back to them once you see the questions or reread them for extra practice. It's up to you. I have an optional live lesson. This worked really well last week. I had about 10 students join me in the optional live lesson for MobyMax at 9:30 on Zoom. I have covered up the Zoom link and password just for security purposes. But in that live lesson, it's very similar to me being in the classroom. I walk you through it, you do it, I model it. And we ask any questions, go over what an outer planet is and specific outer planet characteristics. Friday is the same as last week. You'll be getting 2 grades in the grade book. One is the compare and contrast document that you did. You're going to choose 2 outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Jupiter, whatever it is, compare and contrast. And then the quizzes, outer planet review will be assigned to you as well on that document, just like last week. Okay. At this point, guys, make sure that you have checked your science grade. All right, you should have at least 4 quiz project grades in there. As always, just like in the classroom, quiz project, you can retake, you can redo, you can resubmit. You just got to let me know that you're going to resubmit it. For example, if you look back at the season's quizzes from week 1 and you scored a 30 on it and you want to retake it, the link should still work, but if it doesn't, let me know. If you go onto the link and it works and you score 100 on it now, just send me an email, Ms. Walker. I have 100 on the quizzes. Can you check it, change my grade, so on and so forth, and I'll be glad to do that for you. So at this point, your science grade is on you. Whatever you are happy with, if you have an 89 and you are ecstatic with that, hopefully you want that 90. But if you have a B and you're happy with that, then you're good. But if you're not happy with that, then you need to go back to the grades and see which one you want to redo or which one you scored low on. to improve your grade. Okay, so just some fun things this week. Our Zoom talk on Thursday, I've asked your teachers some questions, simple and hard. So we're going to play like a little live game on how well you know your teachers, electives, core teachers, any teacher that you may have or may not have. So that's going to be on Thursday. So again, I hope you guys have a wonderful week. If there's anything that I can do for you, please let me know. We have some exciting things coming up that I hope you guys are going to enjoy. But I miss you. I love you. I wish we were together in the classroom, but we'll be back together again soon. Have a great week, guys. Bye.